Hello friends, welcome to Win-Win Safe Trader YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see a algo tool. Basically it is a tool, it's not a full algo strategy or anything. Okay, so with this tool we can able to trigger time based multiple leg Nifty and Bank Nifty straddle strangles. Also it is having an option to take hedging as well. With the hedging we can take iron contour and iron butterfly setups for the both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so for both we can take with this single tool. Okay, next we will see the configuration sheet. This is a simple Excel sheet. So from this Excel algo will take all the configuration details. So as you can see it is having the option to choose Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay, let me open from the Excel sheet. Okay, so here this is the sheet. Okay, this is the configuration sheet. Here you can see the option to enable and disable. Okay, and we can dynamically provide the number of lots. We can take the Nifty and Bank Nifty with this, and here it is a the next one is a strike. Okay, so here if it is a ATM, okay, so it is having the plus 20 to minus 20 and ATM as well, and ATM then it will take the straddle. Okay, so it's a ATM call and put short straddle basically. And if it is a plus 1, okay, so plus 1 is something like a plus 100, so it is a first OTM. Okay, so if you want to take the first OTM we have to select the option plus 1. Okay, plus 5 is fifth 5 strikes away OTM, and if you want to take ITM then you have to go in minus. Okay, so here you can see minus or minus 2. Okay, and the next column is entry. Okay, entry time or exit time. Based on your setup you can have different entry time, or maybe you can have a single entry time with the different strikes as well. Okay, so that is all based on your strategy setup. The next is the exit time. So here you can provide your exit time based on your strategy setup. Okay, and the next one is individual leg stop loss. Okay, so here you can provide based on your different timing entry, you can give the different stop losses. The next option is a universal stop loss. So this is on the combined premium. This is you can consider the next column. Okay, the universal stop loss amount. Okay, so whenever your combined call and put combined loss is going more than 5,000, or whenever it is hitting 5,000, then immediately strategy will be exiting the open positions. And the next one is that cost to cost change. So whenever one leg is hitting stop loss, and we will move the another leg to cost, so there is a move opposite to break even option. Okay, so whenever this option is yes, then automatically this stop loss modification or adjustment will happen. But if you keep no, then this particular logic will not be activated, so it will be something like individual leg will be taking taking care of that particular position. Okay, and global target, so this also on top of your combined premium. So whenever your overall combined premium is reaching this particular target, then algo will exit all the positions. Okay, so there is a global. And hedging, so this is the one I was talking about previously. If you enable this option, then first you will take the buy for the hedging purpose, and after that you will take the short straddle. Okay, short sell positions you will take it after. And so for this one you can have an option of similar kind of a strike based. Okay, so whenever you want to take some 2000 points away, then you can select plus 20, then automatically 2000 points away Bank Nifty option will be taken as a buy first, as a call and put both, then the regular start straddle sell will be executed. Okay, and here you are having another option as strike based or premium based. Okay, so this will be applicable for your main sell position. Okay, so here in this E column as a strike we are providing the plus or minus as a ATM or OTM, right? So instead of that, you can go with this option as a premium based method. Okay, so you don't have to provide this particular strike. So whenever you enable this premium based, then based on the premium, that particular strikes will be selected. For example, if you provide 300, then the strikes with 300, around 300 range for call input will be selected. The next column is expiry. Okay, it is having option of current week. It's a weekly. If you select the weekly, then it will be a weekly expiry, and next week, and you can also have option of monthly and next week expiries as well. Okay, so this is about the configuration, and let me open the credential or the login details. Okay, so this algo will work with Zerodha, and I am also developing this similar kind of algo with 5 paisa and FYERS. Okay, all three I am developing them. So for this Zerodha, we have to provide the configuration details as a credentials. So you need that username and password, and you have to provide the TOTP key, and along with that you need that client secret and API key and API secret. Okay, so as a first step, the algo login will happen, and after that, whenever this entry time is reaching, then that particular row will be row straddle triangle will be executed. Okay, let me go back to the presentation. So this is the sample configuration sheet we discussed. Okay, so this features also we have discussed. So basically this same tool or algo can be used for taking Nifty, Bank Nifty, or both as well. Okay, and so we are having an option of different strike the expiry selection. So here you can take the trade with the current week or the next week monthly or next month expiry, and after that with this tool you can take the short straddle strangle and iron condor and iron butterfly 4 legs strategies. Okay, now I am going to share one of the backtesting with a 6 leg setup. This kind of multiple leg setups can be executed with this algo. So for explaining that purpose, I am going to share this one of the backtesting setup and the details from the stock market site. Okay, so here as you can see, this is a 6 leg setup. We are going to take ATM. Okay, I'll start from the beginning. Okay, ATM minus 100 and ATM minus 100 call input, and ATM plus 100 call input, and ATM. So all the first ATM and first ATM and ATM call input we will take as a 6 legs. So this month, this last 3 months, there is no much gain or loss. And if you consider the past years, okay, it is giving good results. So because we are starting this algo after 11:30, so we will take straddle triangle after market is settling. Okay. For this we are getting the profit of around 14 lakh. I have back tested with maximum stop losses 15,000 per day. So for this 6 lakh setup we need around 6 lakhs of investment. So for the 6 lakhs we can take the 3 setup straddle triangle. Okay, so for that one I have set up 5,000 each, so it is a 15,000 I have set. That's it from the strategy or the algo tool perspective. I will take the live trades to see the algo execution. So here you can see I have 3 batches with Bank Nifty, okay, each with 1 lot, and I am going to have ATM and ATM plus 1 and ATM minus 1. So this is the common setup mostly they use with the plus 1 and minus 1. And the start time is entry is 9:20, so I will change it into, right now it's 2:25, so I will make it to 14. Okay, 14:29. Okay, 14:29 is start time, and exit time would be 3:09. Okay, so let it be. And individual like SL will be 20, and universal I am setting is 30%. Okay, so and move break even to move opposite leg to break even, yes. And global I have kept as a 50%. And hedging, I didn't keep hedging on, so it will be simple straddle. It's not going to be the iron condor or iron butterfly. Okay, and I have selected the weekly. Okay, premium. So we are going to use a strike based entry, so premium based as in premium range we don't have to give. Okay, so this is the config setup, and here I have already set up the password credentials for this account. So I'm going to keep this one on my AWS machine. I'm going to start this ALGO. Okay, so this is the one I have just modified. I'll put this on AWS machine. Okay, so here is the batch file. So what we have to do is we just need to double click this batch file and it will automatically trigger the ALGO program. Okay, okay, I have started the ALGO. It's running now. So very first step is it will go with a Zerodha login. Automatically it will do. Okay, so this is the pin. I think this may be logged out because we have logged in with the ALGO, right? So if some sessions are already open, and this will be expired. So let me log in again. Okay, fine. So here we can see the 6 legs has been executed, and we have set the start time is 2:29. The actual entry time of the 6 legs are 9:03. Okay, 3 seconds delay. Okay, so now after taking the entry, we have set the stop loss for the individual legs for all the 6 legs. So we can see 6 stop loss orders. Okay, so anyhow, let it run for next 30 minutes, and we will come back after 30 minutes to see how much profit or loss we have made. Okay, now the time is about 3:09 and the position has been automatically closed by ALGO with the time 3:01:302. Currently this ALGO is developed with ZERODHA API and Allies API, and you can contact me with below email ID or with the below WhatsApp number. And I am also developing this similar ALGO tool with FYERS and KOTAK and 5 paisa APIs, and you can check with me to get the status of this development. Also, if you have any your custom strategies for which you want to develop the ALGO, then you can very well contact me. Thanks friends, thanks for your time. If you like this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if there is any suggestions or comments, please put them on the comment section.